How to drive a big truck.
All right, folks, gather around. Today, I'm going to walk you through the ropes of driving one of these big rigs. Now, it may seem daunting, especially if you're a greenhorn, but I'm here to tell you it's all about technique and keeping a level head. First things first, get a feel for the beast. Climb in, adjust the mirrors, and check that your seat's just right. You want to be in full command, seeing all around you. It's what we call getting in the driver's seat, and believe me, it makes a world of difference. Now, let's talk gears. These trucks are equipped with a manual transmission. Find the clutch, gas, and brake pedals. The gas pedal is the skinny pedal on the right side. The brake pedal is the wider pedal that's in the middle of the two other pedals. The clutch is the leftmost pedal in your truck. Each time you want to change the gear, you'll have to press down on the clutch pedal. Then, find the stick shift to the right of your seat. Most stick shifts will have the gear numbers printed on top to help you locate them. Get familiar with the clutch. Practice shifting smoothly. It's a dance, really, coordinating your footwork with the stick shift. Soon enough, you'll be changing gears like second nature. It sounds a bit difficult in the beginning, but bear in mind that it's all a matter of practice. You should practice every day, for as the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Furthermore, don't forget to adjust your seat and mirrors so you can see around you. Position your rear view and side mirrors so that you can see around your truck easily. There must be no blind spots. Next up, we've got steering. These rigs handle differently than your average car, especially on tight turns. Remember, it's all about anticipating, making those wide turns, and avoiding sudden movements. Slow and steady wins the race, they say, and it's never truer than behind the wheel of one of these. When it comes to the open road, maintaining a steady speed is key. Now, I can't emphasize this enough, keep your foot steady on the pedal. It's not a race out here, it's about safety and control. And always keep an eye out for traffic signs and signals. They're your best friends on the road. Now, for you rookies, the first time in the hot seat can be nerve-wracking. Trust me, we've all been there. It's perfectly normal to feel a little jittery. One golden piece of advice: take a deep breath and take it 1 mile at a time. Don't let the size of the rig psych you out. You're in control, and you've got this. In my years on the road, I've seen a lot of rookies turn into seasoned pros. It's all about practice, patience, and a pinch of confidence. So, keep your chin up, and remember, the road belongs to those who drive it. And there you have it, my friends. Take these steps to heart, and you'll be on your way to mastering the art of big rig driving. Safe travels out there, and keep the shiny side up.
Thank you for listening to English Audio Lounge. We hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more audio stories to improve your listening.